A database management system, DBMS, is software used to store, organize, manage, and retrieve data efficiently. Today, databases are used everywhere, from banks and hospitals to social media apps, online shopping platforms, colleges, and railway reservation systems. DBMS helps users and organizations handle large amounts of information in a secure and systematic way. Before DBMS was introduced, data was usually stored in files. This traditional file system had many problems such as data duplication, difficulty in searching records, lack of security, and inconsistency of information. For example, if a student's phone number was stored in multiple files and updated in only one place, different files could show different information. DBMS solves these problems by maintaining centralized and well-structured data. A database is simply a collection of related data. For example, in a college database, information about students, teachers, courses, fees, and attendance can all be stored together in an organized manner. The software that manages this database is called a DBMS. The main purpose of DBMS is to make data management easier, faster, and more reliable. It allows users to insert new data, update existing data, delete unnecessary data, and retrieve required information whenever needed. These operations are commonly known as CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. One of the most important advantages of DBMS is data consistency. Since data is stored centrally, all users access the same updated information. Another major advantage is data security. Only authorized users can access or modify sensitive information. For example, in a banking system, customers can view their account details, but only bank employees can update account balances. DBMS also provides backup and recovery features. If the system crashes or data is accidentally deleted, the database can be restored using backup mechanisms. This ensures that important information is not permanently lost. Another important feature is data sharing. Multiple users can access the database at the same time without affecting each other's work. For example, in an online shopping application, thousands of users can place orders simultaneously while the database manages all transactions efficiently. There are different types of databases and DBMS models. The most commonly used model is the Relational Database Management System, or RDBMS. In RDBMS, data is stored in the form of tables consisting of rows and columns. Popular examples of RDBMS software include MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and PostgreSQL. To interact with databases, we use a language called SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is used to create tables, insert records, retrieve data, update information, and perform many other database operations. For example, a school can use SQL to find the list of students who scored above 90% in exams. DBMS plays a vital role in modern technology. Social media applications store user profiles, photos, and messages in databases. Hospitals maintain patient records using DBMS. E-commerce websites manage products, customer orders, and payments using databases. Even mobile applications and websites rely heavily on database systems to function smoothly. In summary, a database management system is an essential technology used to store and manage data efficiently. It improves data organization, security, consistency, and accessibility. Without DBMS, handling large amounts of data in today's digital world would be extremely difficult. That is why DBMS is considered one of the foundational technologies in computer science and information systems.